Watching guys, today we're going to be taking a look at two affordable 1080p smart home security cameras, and we're going to be showing you the whole thing, what you get, and also how to set it up and what the quality looks like. This is the Heimvision HD Smart Wi-Fi camera, the HM202, and you can get this for around about 21 to 25 pounds. This one is the Akaso P30 smart camera, also works with Alexa, and this one is around about £30-ish sort of price point. So the specs for the Heimvision is 1080p, up to 128GB microSD card storage. The lens is the 3.6mm by 110 degrees. Pan and tilt is 355 degrees by 95 degrees, and 4x digital zoom. You got the app download, which works with Google Play or Apple Store, so you can download from there. Let's take a quick look at the Akaso. You can see you got wireless, motion detection, 1080p, two-way audio. Same with both of these cameras really. They've both got similar specs, and we're going to get them all out of the box and take a look at what you get here. So you can see this is the Akaso on the right and the Heimvision on the left. And we'll go through with the Akaso first. You can see here you've got your power cable, and also we have a little mounting bracket here. We have our UK plug with a USB port on there, which is for your cable to power it. We have the raw plugs and screws on here, and your reset pin, some 3M tape just in case you want to glue it to the wall, and you also got your user manual, pretty small user manual here. Pretty hard to read, the text on here is pretty small, but it does show you exactly what to do here on how to set it up. I'll show you how to set it up, it's very easy. And here we have the actual camera itself. These are great for a porchway or a kid's bedroom or something like that, or if you're monitoring the dogs or something like that when you're away. You can use this sort of camera to monitor some sort of back door or something like that in your home, as long as it's inside, because it's an internal camera. But it's a pretty decent camera for that sort of price point really. And of course the price will vary depending where you get this. It's a Wi-Fi camera of course, and depending where you get your camera will determine how much you pay for it. But I'll leave the links in the video description for you. Got a little speaker here, good weight to it, pretty small, nice sleek design there as well. So there's the Akaso there. We're going to take a look at the Heimvision here. We've got our charging cable or power cable. We also got some raw plugs here with some screws. We also have our plug, a slightly larger plug with a USB port on it. And we also have our bracket, a mounting bracket, as you can see, quite a larger mounting bracket here. And we also have our user manual, which is going to give you all the information about how to set this up. Now inside here you'll see plenty of color pictures and English text, really easy to understand. Nice big font there. And also we've got the camera itself. Slightly different design with this one. Got anti-slip rubber feet on the bottom, little mounting bracket there for a tripod. You can see here this one does have a little bit more movability on it with the panning and tilting. We've got that nice lens there, and we'll take a look at the quality here. You've got your power input here. On the Akaso it's on the bottom as well. So we'll take a look at this and how to set them up. Both pretty similar cameras, to be honest with you. They've just got different features. One has got a little bit more panning and zooming and digital zoom on it, whereas the other one doesn't. And of course we'll take a look at the quality for both of these for daytime and nighttime viewing. So you can see we have another some sort of bracket here which you can use. So that is everything you're going to get for both of these cameras here. So let's go ahead and set them up. I'll set up the Heimvision first, just to show you how easy it is to set it up. It does give you instructions in here. You need to just download the application from either Apple or from the Google Play Store. And I've got mine downloaded here, so I'm just going to install it. And there we go. It's pretty straightforward. And I'll show you the whole process. It's really easy to set up these cameras. Now once you've got these all set up, they will give you alerts, motion detection, and start recording and stuff like that. So I'm going to click open here, and all you need to do here is register an account. So just register your account, put your email address and password and all that sort of good stuff, and log in and register and everything else. Once you've got that done, you should be able to see the actual plus sign up in the top right hand corner. Click on this, and now you can choose whether you've got an intelligent camera. I'm going to click on device add in by scanning the code. That's the recommended option there, and there we go. We've got power to the camera now, so the camera is powered on, and I'm just going to click on the bottom here to confirm. I did hear a beep, and then click on connect. And what you need to do here is allow the camera to go through and access device location. Now you can connect to your Wi-Fi by putting in your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're connecting to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You will see a little QR code here. Just get the camera itself and point it towards that, and you'll see it will activate it. You can move the camera around here with this little joystick, or virtual joystick here. Now you should see the camera displaying on the screen. You can also go into the settings pane here and change all the settings for notifications, alarm, night vision, also intelligent tracking, all that sort of stuff, motion detection, sound detection. It's all in here. You can format your storage device from here. Pretty much do everything and control the camera from your phone, which is pretty good. And this is the quality you can expect on your phone with this particular camera. You can see you can move it around with your thumb as well. So you've got all your pan and tilt, and you can also record. You can also talk to the person at the other end where that camera is. And again, this is great for monitoring children, pets, or elderly, or whatever it is you want to use it for. You can also have in your porchway, pointing at your front door. As long as it's internal, you should be okay. Got night vision here as well. Comes with some other features which you can turn on or off, which are basically all your motion detection, your alarm, email notification, all that sort of stuff. Next, we're going to take a look at the Akaso. You can see I've got the power here in the bottom. Just plugged that in there, and I'm going to put the little cap on the bottom here to lock that into location. And I'll show you how to quickly set this one up. They're pretty much very similar ways of setting these up. Now you can stick a 3M tape on the bottom of there, so stick it or mount it somewhere if you want to. But you just need to get the app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. You can see it's called Akaso Smart. Download this and get it installed. Pretty much it will tell you that information in the user manual as well on how to do exactly what I'm showing you. You can now just register an account. Just put in your registration details, agree to their terms and conditions, and put in all your email address and all the email notification that they will send you. They'll give you a code, put that into there, and you should be pretty much good to go from there. Now we can create our smart camera, and basically you'll see living room, bedroom, second bedroom. You can choose whatever you want here. You can give the family name, which is your camera name, and also the family location, which is the set location. This will be the set location for the actual camera itself. So as soon as you click on this, it will open up a map and take you to exactly the location where you are. So I'll call the camera test, and I will set the location, and this will go to the location where you live, and it's very accurate, and it will put your address up there so it knows exactly where you are. So I'm going to click confirm here, and now we can go to the next step, which is basically adding your name, your family name, and your family location. Click completed here, and you should now see the information up on the screen. And all you need to do here is get the camera connected to the Wi-Fi network. So we're going to use the same method, which is scanning that QR code here, which is a different QR code for the Akaso compared to the Heimvision, but basically you see it connected. And there we go, we're connected. Make sure you're connecting to 2.4 gigahertz network, otherwise it won't connect to 5G. And you should now see the camera connected. And there we go. So now we've got our camera connected. You can see a bunch of settings here which you can mess with: snapshot, speak, record, alarm, all that sort of stuff, playback. You can do it all from here. You can change the definition to HD if you wish, or SD. And you've got all your settings here for your motion detection, and also memory card settings, feedback, firmware information, all that sort of stuff is all inside here, just like the other camera basically. Some have more features than others depending on what camera you go for, but basically you get full control of your camera from your mobile phone. And of course this is the quality you're looking at right here, very sharp HD quality. and this is colour, as you can see here. Also good night vision. You've got your speaker and also your microphone, so you can do two-way conversation through this camera as well. And again, this is a great face recognition. It will start recording straight away as soon as someone walked into this room, and it's a great way of protecting your home. You can have this in some sort of porchway, looking at your front door. When you open the door, they'll be recorded. And of course, you've got a bunch of other things, which is like for pets or for children, young children. You can put this in their bedroom somewhere, so you can monitor them at night, or you can monitor them whenever you like. Anyway, that's about it for the video. I'll leave all the links in the video description for both of these cameras. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Both pretty good cameras. I'll let you choose which one you prefer, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Have a great weekend. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.